How to best control emotion during job interview. Job interviews is an important event that can affect a person's career path. The idea of going through a job interview might make you feel anxious regardless of your experience. We will examine the interview anxiety and offer practical methods for dealing with it in this. Being nervous can happen to any candidate, but the important thing is to stay calm during interview. Recognizing interview nerves. Feeling nervous before a job interview is quite normal. The majority of people actually report feeling it before an interview. This anxiety is a result by the need to impress employers, the pressure to perform, and uncertainty about the interview process. Typical fears and concerns. Job seekers often have a number of typical worries and fears when it comes to interview anxiety. Fear of tough questions. During an interview, many people are afraid of unexpected questions which they would find difficult to respond. Uneasy appearance. Anxiety levels is caused by the concern coming off as uneasy during the interview. Nervousness are communicated through body language such as avoiding eye contact. Unintended signals. During an interview, job seekers frequently worry about giving off the wrong impressions such as aggressive behavior. Handling anxiety during interviews. Although interview anxiety is frequent, there are many techniques people can use to control their nervousness. Important to prepare. Confidence and nervousness can increase by carefully studying the job description and practice interview questions. Practice relaxation techniques. Before the interview, you can reduce anxiety by practicing relaxed techniques like deep breathing exercise. Positive self-talk. Try to tell yourself and remind of your abilities, experience to counteract negative self-talk. Increasing one's self-confidence is important to overcoming interview nervousness. To copy the interview process and get positive criticism, think about holding practice interviews with families, with friends and relatives. Emphasis on the process, not just the outcome. Embrace the chances for learning that the interview offers rather than worry only on the outcome. Regardless of the result, consider every interview to be a good experience. Many job hopefuls have experienced interview nervousness. It is important to understand that experiencing anxiety before an interview is common, does not show incompetence. People can handle interviews with more poise and confidence if they understand the main reasons of anxiety and try to deal with it. In order to present your best during interviews, it is important to understand how to successfully manage your anxiety rather than get rid of it. This is coming from a recruiter from the past. I will tell you some techniques and give you tips how to how to relax during interviews and before the interview. Tips. Relax yourself by keeping your mind away from thinking about upcoming interviews. Second one, think that worries cannot change any upcoming interview. Prepare yourself before interview. Go over marked questions and how to answer it with your family and friends. Tips. Positive body language can bring more confidence. Act professional by wearing business attire during interview and talk slowly with the hiring manager. Get good night's sleep before interview so you will be properly rested and be ready for an upcoming interview.